What's up, folks? Honest Morning Update, April 24th, 424. Um, Interesting overnight range. We dipped below, down into 33, below the 35, and that 38, 37, 40 level. It held. We returned back up to fill that overnight cash gap, or ES gap, and then came back and we stopped at, well, the 55 level. Look at that. So, still a big level is that 55, and we stopped at 56, so that's going to be an important level. We open up above that, I think we can see some upside. And then we have all that traffic between basically 75 and 80. We could even take it from 70 to 80, and I would expect that would be resistance still. We lose this 33, I think we venture down into the 41.20. I would expect that level to be defended. To be defended. If not, we can lose it. And then 4,100, that 96. So I could see that one and that 96 holding. If not, then I think that, we could see some downward. I think that we just kind of go swinging into Thursday and Friday is really where the meat and potatoes are for this week. As of now, we're just kind of tinkering around here. Not just not much movement. You had some wild swings over here, but it's just consolidation. We're not moving. VIX is dead. Here's your hourly. If you can take a look, this is kind of the way it happens. You have your overnight dip. Okay, we came down, hit that 33 level, and then right at 3 a.m., boop, we go right straight up. So Europe is definitely a buyer of our futures. Here's your daily chart, still in between the 4,200 and 3,800. Nothing's changed in that. We've gone sideways since May of 22. Nothing exciting. Here's that weekly. Forgot to bring that up. Take a second to load. And that's that 41.55 level, is that fib from your low to your high to low. And then there's that 55, and so we're just kind of hitting that. Then you got 4,000 and 37.81. Anyway, I don't know. We'll look at this. You got nothing today. Some home stuff on Tuesday, durable goods on Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday is when I think we start to see some crazy. If we're going to move, it's going to be these 2 days. If we're going to start to change anything, including market structure, it's probably going to be in these 2 days. So GDP, initial claims, personal income, PCE, all this stuff. So I could see this changing it. I don't see much in here for the first 3 days. I would assume that we just chop around like we have been, and consolidate into kind of that move. I still have a cash gap up here, 41, 54, 48. Down below 40.99, 92. I would watch both those as a potential fill or a resistance or support right before it. And up here, I wouldn't worry about that little guy. Euro still an incline, or moving up in the world. That trend line has not broken. So we've gone up. I wonder if we're getting a coupling handle. At some point this will die, but evidently not now. VIX 9, I got to switch that to the VIX 1D. I think that's starting today, so we'll figure that out. Other than that, we're down 3 points. Dow's down 30 and NASDAQ's down 10. I don't, I think it's unfortunately another very low VIX day. And just I don't see a lot of action. I could be wrong. We could move, but I don't see it. So stay safe, especially right now, since you can't get any good premium without being like right at the money. So be very careful. You don't have to trade every day. You can put your hands in your pockets and wait for another day unless you see an opportunity. But if you see profit, I would suggest you take it. I'll be in the room all day.